Hi everyone, this is Zahra. Some of you asked how we can add some subsections or submenu to our course. As you see here, my course is, or let's say my part of the syllabus is English for academic purposes, and I have divided it into these parts. Each part is related to one of the sessions or one of the courses provided in this course. My subject, English for academic purposes, divided into different parts. And you asked me how I did it. Now let me explain it to you. As you see, first of all, I turned the editing on. Now I can add one section. I don't know how to do it for the sections here. The only thing I could do was to add a new topic, add these subsections to the last topic. Of course, there must be a way to add the subsections to your topics here in this between, but I don't know how to do it. Perhaps you can explore it and let me know too. So, we've got a new topic. We go into it. I go to the part edit. Let's take a look at its features. Well, takes a few seconds. Oh yeah. Okay. As you know, we can click on the custom in order to be able to make changes in the name. You all know it. Let's say subject 1. It can be any name. You can add any summary here. You have already done it. There is no need to explain it. But here you see the level of the section. It has two levels, normal as a first level tab and child of previous tab. And then we've got here text of the first tab. The first tab is always the same. You cannot change it. You can change the name, for example, in, I don't know, overview, welcome, overview, any other name you want to call it. You can change the name, but you cannot change this part. Okay, let's save changes. You can make any change in the color, but the important part is level. Normal as the first level is the main section. All of the levels you have, all of the sections you have this normal as the first level tab. Now we want to add something as the child tab. You add a new topic. When it opens again, we go to edit. Takes a few seconds. Okay. Now I have the new topic. I go into its edit. Topic 19. Okay, I don't have anything to do with changing the name. Now I just want to show the level. Choose child of previous tab and save changes. You may want to make any other change in these settings, but the important part here is the level of it. Okay, today my internet connection is a bit slow. Let's wait. Okay, as you see in subject 1, I have topic 19 as a subsection. Again, I want to add another topic, another part to subject 1. We wait for it to open, and then Again, we go to, yes, topic 1 is created. Let's go to its setting and choose the level. The only thing you need to change is the level. Okay. Change it from normal to a child of previous tab. If you leave it to normal, you've got a new tab like these ones. But now we've got subject 1 that it has 2 sections, topic 19 and topic 20. You can make any change in the color, in the name, or anything in the section. As you see here in my section, the subject English for academic purposes, I have made all these changes. Now we've got this subject 1. Again, let's go into it. You've got 2 subsections. If it's the last tab, you can add anything to it. But I do not still know, as I mentioned, I do not still know how to add subsections to any of these subjects, any of these tabs in the middle part. The only thing I know is to add subsections to the final topic. Thank you so much for your attention, and I really hope my explanation has been useful to you. Have a nice time and goodbye.